Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the NUTLET 4-piece toilet seat bumpers for Kohler toilet seats. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
So as we get it out of the bag and look at it up close, it is a little rubbery piece. Looks like it'll just clip in. Hoping it'll just clip in. As you can hear, there's a difference on the plastic here, rubber here. So we'll go ahead and try and install.
All right, so apologize in advance for seeing any grossness in my bathroom or whatever, but
all we're going to do is try and match it up, and it doesn't really look like it's the same size just from the start, but it might actually fit perfectly anyway, and it seems it does. So all you're going to do is kind of just put it in there and press it in. Now there is a difference, a little bit of, and I'll try and give you a different angle. It kind of barely sticks out here. The other one sticks out a little bit more, and that's probably just because it's older, maybe because it's the original, but either way this should do the job. So we're going to go ahead and close it here, and again, apologize, but it seems to sit well. So let's take a look. Yeah, it seems to do the job. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.